Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I just got to a small lake not too far from my home. I'm not quite sure what to expect. We had some pretty heavy rain that just came down, and it's also quite windy out too. So I'm a little bit nervous about this outing, but we're gonna give it a try. I stopped by the bait shop, picked up some small fathead minnows. I also brought some worms with. I'm rigged up with some slip bobbers right now. So yeah, I'll just kind of be spot hopping around and see if we can get onto some fish. Oh, something. All right. Oh, well. You guys are a little crooked there. All right. Well, it's a fish, a little largemouth. Took a small fathead minnow beneath a slip float about 3 feet down. Cool. First fish of the day. See ya, buddy. There you go. It's a bass. Not a monster. All right. There you go. That's the biggest one of 2022. Not bad. And again, took the minnow. I've been mixing it up with worms and minnows. Haven't had anything on worms, so it's got a couple pulls out with some small fatheads. Seems to be working just well. Let's get this guy back in. There you go. Third fish of the night. Or, I guess I started in the day, now it's pretty much night. Oh, it's a small little bass. Just a little guy. I don't know how well you guys can see. It's starting to get dark out now. I'm probably gonna have to go home. I might come back on another day, give this place another shot. All right, see ya, buddy. There you go. There you go. All right. Another day, same spot. Wasn't really catching much last time other than those few small bass I had. Decided to come back, give it another shot. See ya, bud. Go. All right, same spot, different day. Well, just a little bluegill, but something other than a little bass. So at least we're getting into some different species this time. See ya, bud. Just doing catch and release today. I don't have minnows with me, so I'm just gonna be using worms, small split shot, and a slip float and a bobber stop. wrong direction. Things are getting smaller and smaller. So small. There you go. What do we got? Oh, that's a crappie. How do you like that? That's the first crappie of the year. Little guy, but hey, still, it's a crappie. Interesting. He didn't go. I expected to get some of these last time using minnows. They went after the worm this time. Go figure. All right. See you, buddy. All right. So I'm back home, out of the wind and the cold. Unfortunately, my camera ended up dying on me, so I did end up actually catching another crappie and a couple of bass that I wasn't able to get on camera, but overall, it's been a little bit of a tough bite. I'm not gonna lie. We've had days where it's like 80 degrees and then it drops down to 40 and it's sunny and beautiful and then it's 20-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, the weather's just been crazy, which has just not been good at all for the fishing. So I'm hoping as more stable weather comes, the bite should get a little bit better. So I should have some more exciting videos for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one.